Hey there, fellow creators and aspiring YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion into a thriving YouTube channel that not only feeds your soul but also your wallet, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the juicy details of monetizing your passion on YouTube. But before we jump in, a quick shout out: if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us by clicking the subscribe link below. Your support helps us keep the content flowing for free. Now, let's get started. Tip 1. Define your niche. The first step on this exciting journey is to pinpoint your niche. What's the specific area within your passion that you can delve into? Whether it's makeup tutorials, gaming, or even DIY home projects, narrow it down to something that gets your heart racing. Tip 2. Conduct comprehensive market research. Before you hit the record button, do your homework. Who's your audience? What are they craving? Study your competition and spot opportunities to stand out. Tip 3. Build a strong online presence. You've got your niche. Now it's time to set up shop online. Create an eye-catching YouTube channel, and don't forget to sprinkle in those keywords that'll make you pop up in searches. And of course, don't be shy. Show up on social media too. Tip 4. Develop high-quality content. Content is king in the YouTube realm. Whether it's vlogs, how-tos, or entertaining skits, make sure your content is engaging, informative, and visually appealing. And guess what? Quality counts, so invest in good equipment and editing skills. Tip 5. Engage with your audience. Your listeners are gold. Respond to their comments, interact on social media, and let them feel like they're part of your journey. Engagement is the secret sauce to building a loyal tribe. Tip 6. Offer value-added content. Now, let's talk about taking it up a notch. Create something your audience can't resist: exclusive content, behind-the-scenes peeks, or even merchandise. When you offer extra value, your audience will eagerly support you. Tip 7. Leverage social media marketing. Don't just stay in the YouTube bubble. Share your content on other platforms too. Use those hashtags and collaborate with influencers who can introduce you to new audiences. Tip 8. Collaborate and network. Two heads are better than one, right? Team up with fellow creators for exciting projects and collaborations. Networking not only expands your reach but also boosts your creativity. Tip 9. Create multiple revenue streams. Let's talk moolah. Don't rely on just one income source. Explore options like sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products, like a true entrepreneur. Tip 10. Stay consistent and patient. Last but not least, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is key. Keep uploading, engaging, and improving. Results will come, and your patience will pay off. And there you have it, folks. 10 expert tips to turn your passion into a YouTube sensation. Remember, it's not just about views. It's about creating a community that loves what you do. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. And hey, if you'd like to support us, check out the link below. Until next time, keep creating and keep smiling.